How to add long shadow to text in DaVinci Resolve. Go to Effects panel and click on Titles. Drag a text plus in timeline. Select it, open up Inspector panel, and adjust the text style to your liking. Click on this button to open the text on the Fusion page. From Workspace menu, Scripts, Reactor, choose Open Reactor. Search for Real Shadow and check the checkbox next to it to install it. Select the template node and press Shift plus space. Search for Real Shadow and add it after template node. Select the Real Shadow node and in the viewer drag this handle on top of the text. Set type to shadow and choose a color you want. Now drag the handle again until you're happy with the result. Move the playhead to start, then click on diamond button next to it to add a starting keyframe. Move playhead around 60 frames forward and change the light position to add the second keyframe. Go back to the edit page.